Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be installing some LED lights on the 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Come on, let's begin. We will be changing the low beam of the headlight with this LS Plus. These are the 4th generation LED LS Plus that they got. So according here, so they have the customized auto grade LED chips and voltage 16 or 12 to 16 volts, and they have a color temperature of 6000 K, and they have a 2-year warranty on this one. So this will fit H8, H9, H11. I know H16 also. This will be, you can fit this on the H16. This is the light itself. Again, these are the H11. This is the driver, okay? So it is pre-wired in here. And one good thing about this setup is less heat is getting generated or being generated on the main bulb itself. So the heat, okay, part of the heat is being diverted basically outside of the housing. So again, they have the fan in here, and yeah, so just put this driver somewhere. Again, you can leave them hanging. I just left mine hanging and I don't have any issues. If you want, you can just cable tie it somewhere. If you find a hole under that area, you can do so. So again, these are nice. So again, build quality, aluminum, great for heat dissipation. They have the Lasfit logo in here. So yeah, so let's install it and I'll show you how bright they are, how nice is the cutoff on these lights. All right, so come on, let's install them and I'll show you the results.